Hi, it's Julius again. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your first calendar sync. After you connected your calendars, if you don't know how to, just skip to the last video. You see this screen here, and you click Create First Connections. Then you have two options to choose from. First, you can share your calendars to another person with an invitation link, so they can put it into their calendar and have the synchronization between them. This one I show you in the next tutorial. For now we go with sync your calendars if you want to sync your own calendars. Then you see two options you can choose from. One is the one-way sync, as you see on the right. It's now only from source calendar one sync into the target calendar, or you have the two-way sync, so both calendars sync copies into the other calendar. First, I show you the one-way sync. If you click on continue, you can now select the calendars you want to sync into the target calendar. Or if you want to connect another calendar, you can click here. Then just click it. You see it's now here displayed. Then click to continue. Then you can choose how much information you want to put into the calendar. For example, I just want to have the busy blocker, but I want to have it another title with it. Julius not available. And now you see in the target calendar, it will display the placeholder title I just choose. Or I can choose another thing, for example, full detail or only title and time. And you see, okay, in the target calendar, it would show up like that. Down there you can choose how it handles all day events. Maybe you have some in your source calendar you want to have a certain way to deal with. And after you choose, just click continue, and then you can click on your target calendar. Or if you want to, you can create a new calendar in one of your calendars, if that's the case for you. For me, I just want to go with an existing calendar I want to sync in. Then just click Create Sync. And the sync is running. And now you see the status is active and all the events are synced. Now I just end it to show you the other way. Just let's say I don't need calendar sync anymore. Of course you need it, and of course I need it. Just click it again, sync calendars, and then I show you the two-way sync. Because here you can, other than in the one-way sync, of course only connect two calendars. In the one-way you can also choose like 5 calendars to sync into one. On the two-way, just click continue, and then you choose 2 calendars you want to have the double sync, the two-way sync with it. Just click continue, and now you can, for each side, also here choose the visibility you want to, or have your custom placeholder title. And after you did that as well, just click sync, and the sync is running. And you see here, okay, now the setup is going in the background, and when it's done, you see here the connected. And just one mentioning, if you want to share your calendar to another person, just click to the next tutorial and I'll show you that.